Hi everyone, this is second part of our tutorial how to stretch canvas. Before we have made this wood frame and now we are going to apply this canvas, raw material canvas. Frame size is 18 by 24 inch and we will cut the canvas 26 by 20 inches. So let's apply it. So we are applying the gun stapler for canvas. Staple center, right side, just little bit stretch. Now the apply second side of wood frame. Same practice. Stretch the canvas and staple it. Stretch this. And stretch the last left side. Both sides have been stretched. Now we will apply the center of other side. Fold the canvas softly and then little bit stretch. Same practice from other side. Now stretch last side and staple. Fold the canvas and stretch. So all sides, all corners have been stapled. Now we will apply more staple spin between the staple spin. The other side stretch forcefully to make hard the canvas. Again stretch. And same practice whole sides. Here you are. Canvas has been ready. Raw material canvas, stretch and very fine. Now we will apply some materials like emulsion, acrylic, glue to make painting, a fine quality painting.